Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you go ahead and remove watermark from any video using CapCut and this free tool right here. Hit watermark remover. So for this one you need to have uh, this software installed. You just have to go over to hitpaw.com and make sure to go ahead and go to video watermark remover under products here. And you just have to go ahead and try it for free. But if you want to have premium features, you can go ahead and buy it. So I'll show you on how you can do this. So basically, uh, go over to CapCut and make sure that you have your project and video imported. So you have to export this frame like that. And you just have to go ahead and save it to wherever you want. So you need to export the frame that basically has the background underneath the watermark the same. So there you'll see what I mean later. So documents. So as you can see here, it is now here. You go ahead to the hitpaw watermark remover, and let's go ahead and select the file. So here, so all you need to do here is select the brush tool here, and all you need to do, you can also drag to change the brush size. So you just need to highlight the watermark and then hit on preview to remove the watermark itself, and as you can see it is now removed. So once over that, you can go ahead and screenshot this one like that. So basically the most important thing here is the background, and you need to save that over to documents here. So let's exit that app. Okay, so once you've inputted that, let's go ahead and paste or overlay the photo here on top. And then you go ahead and make sure that the photo is selected, and go ahead and click on crop, and make sure you select a portion of the uh, background to where the watermark is located on the original video. So this is what I mean here. So as you can see, this is where the watermark is located. So all you have to do is cover that here. And there guys, so we should be good to go. So okay guys, so as you can see, it now remove the watermark completely. So okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.